The 2012 Verde Spectrum. 100% chromoly... Cut! Dang it! The 2012 Verde Spectrum. 100% chromoly frame with investment cast head tube. Integrated headset, chromoly forks with tapered legs. Verde front load stem. 8.5 chromoly bars. Duo Holman grips. Ally U-brake and lever. Removable brake mounts. 3-piece heat-treated chromoly cranks with sealed mid-bottom brackets. Verde React 25-tooth chain wheel. Sealed female cassette hub with 9-tooth driver. 3/8 sealed female front hub. Cinema 777 double-wall rims. Duo stunner tires. Pivotal seat with Duo Reslite seat post and Duo Reslite pedals. Gold stem. Holman grips. Da 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 da. Female hubs. Da 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 da. Integrated seat stem. Da 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 da. Upside down, top low Tom Dugan style. Da 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 da. Twisted pieces, da da da. Bent sprocket. Super soft seat that feels nice on my butt all the time, yeah.